Okay, this is an instructional video on how to pour the Regal Arch, the garden bed fence mold. Okay, what we have here is we have all of our molds oiled up and we're putting in the pipes. Now we pour these with the pipes in, and then we'll let this mold sit until the concrete sets up, usually about 4 hours, and then it's safe to pull the pipes. Now you don't want to leave these pipes in the full 24 hours for letting this mold cure. You want to pull the pipes out at about 4 hours, or as soon as the concrete sets up and it's safe to pull the pipes out. So here I've let the mold set. It's been 4 hours. I'm pulling the pipes, and we'll let these molds sit for a full 24 hours, and then we'll demold them. Okay, this is an instructional video on how to properly demold the Regal Arch. We're only going to be hitting this in 2 places. Starting from the post side, give it a few taps. Next side, little tap, demold. Okay, now let's take a look at what I'm actually doing and looking for. When I'm demolding this, I'm starting from the post side. I'm tapping the mold until it clears the concrete hole. So I'm looking in the hole, cleared it, went to the next side, tap, lift up, demolded. This is the proper way to demold the Regal Arch. If you follow this technique, you'll have no problems demolding. Now this is for the new people. If you're wondering about the pipes, what we do is we fill the mold with the pipes in place. After the concrete's poured and it starts to set up, we pull the pipes. For me here in Florida, that's usually about 4 hours. So in 4 hours, after I've poured it, I'll pull the pipes, let the mold continue to set for 24 hours, and then it's ready to demold. You don't want to leave the pipes in the full 24 hours. You'll have a very hard time getting the pipes out. So catch it as soon as the concrete sets up and pull your pipes. Now on this piece here, I overfilled it a little bit. If that happens to you, just grab a file down the flange pieces, and do that as soon as you pull it out. It makes it a lot easier. Let's take a look at this process again. Give it a few taps at the post side, next side, light tap, pull the mold. absmolds.com